Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number page. As example, we have the 4 page in this document, and if you want to add number in the page, you can double click in the header, click in the top of the page, double click will be show for the sign tabs, and then you can go to the page number tools. There are two options. You can add number in the top of page or you can set in the bottom of page. As example, I will use this option, bottom of page, and click on plain number 3 to be show the number in the page in the bottom. Okay, if you want to close, you can click close header and footer. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to number page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.